Okay, itong question. Paramihan ng masusulat na celebrity couples na naghiwalay.
1 minute. Ano ba to? Kinasal? Or it doesn't matter kung kinasal or boyfriend,
yung medyo very popular couple.
Boyfriend lang, girlfriend lang.
Whether asawa, sa kamilya. Kailangan ba pareho sila na sa showbiz? Sikat. Celebrity in their own right.
Celebrity.
Pinag-usapan. High profile.
High profile.
I love it.
I love it.
Eto na. Kailangan ba, pwede bang, okay.
Unahin natin dito. Okay, unahin natin ang showbiz central.
Okay. Sharon, Gabby, Aga,
Janice, Jan, Vanessa Jan,
Janet
and Mo Twister, Aramina and Jo Marie Iliana, Ara and Polo Ravales, Christine Hermosa, Jericho, Martin Pap, Hart John Prats, Angelica Panganiban, Carlo Aquino, Alessandra and Jeremy, Alessandra and Oyuboy and Ann. Ang taray ni Oyuboy.
14.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 pala, sorry.
This is it.
This is it!
Teka, couples ba na mag-asawa lang or kahit mag-boyfriend?
Kahit mag-boyfriend lang.
Kahit
Pwede.
boyfriend lang, okay lang.
Couple.
Kasi akala namin talagang
Two legalities eh. Lahat yan
Anyway.
At yung very strict to naman ng judges, sabi lang naman couple.
No, actually, we were saying it kanina.
Oo na, pwedeng boyfriend, girlfriend lang, mag-asawa,
Okay,
ganyan.
yung sa amin kasi, mas ano talaga, Pops and Marky.
Lahat kayo may papel.
Janice, Jan, Snooki, Richard, Augie, Michelle, Rufa Ilmas, Aiko Jom, Rufa Eric,
Ay, wala pa
Vic
yan,
and Dina, Sharon and Gabby, and Carmina and Rostom.
Yan lang sila.
Kumbaga sa aming quality.
In fairness sa'yo ha, ikaw lang din nasama dyan ha. Yung dalawa pasok sa bangka. Fairness. Pass naman na.
Ano? Budi na lang.
Pass naman na. Yan ang gusto ko sa sis, kaya mataas ang rating nyo. Maski kayo nagpapa-intriga. Tama yan.